Alright, first of all, I'm using Alienware because I like Alienware. I think everything else out there is pretty pathetic. But that's only my opinion. Okay, you want to be in right view. You can tell what view you're in by right clicking. This is top. Of course, you see how there's no lines. This is isometric. Right view. First thing you want to do is create a point position. Space bar 0, 0. Once you go into wireframe, touch point position. Then after that you want to go to rectangle. Rectangle sector 1. Put in the size you want. Real simple. You go down to 4 inch by 2 inch. That's what I'm using. Now I already have it done, so I'm just going to go fast forward on the point position. There's a rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is create an arc. Arc, how do you create an arc? You go right here where it says arc. See the arc? You go endpoint to endpoint. I just do up anything. It doesn't matter to me, but if it's crucial, all you do is once you create it, click on the diameter or the radius you need, and then it'll establish that for you. Okay. Then I put a 60,000 radius on the top just to make the part look better. I already did that, so I'm going to fast forward it, and there you go, there you go. It's done. Look at the radiuses. You see the radius? These are called radiuses. Okay. Now I'm going to come in here and leave it there. And I'm going to move to create a line. Notice why I create a line to move it that plane up to this one. It's just, you don't have to, but it establishes my 0 and I'm happy with it. That's where my arc's going to be from this point to here if I do that. Here we go. And I did it. It's called transfer to origin. Move to origin and moved it up. Okay, we're done. Now I'm going to go and remove that line. Delete that line. You don't need it. Now I want to go into the next phase. As you can see, I created a solid. How I did that is real simple. You go to SolidWorks, extrude, and it's going to do it for you. You just pick anywhere, it creates a chain. Then I'll show you real fast. As you can see, it open. There's the chain. You're done. It's going to ask you 4 inches back. Yes, if it's going the wrong direction, you press that little arrow right there. It pushes it back the other way. Since I already have it done, it's done. Put in isometric, and there's your 4 inches. Now, what you want to do is create a tool path. Your tool path. Of course, you're going to be a solid. You go in flow line. Flow line works for everything. So I'm just going to do it real quick for you. Flow line. Click it. End it. Check flow line. That's the direction I want to be in. Not, you go that way. I prefer this way. And I'm done. Then you press, you're done again. You gotta get that tool. Normally you go in, create a tool. You create a tool, it opens up this little thing. You go ball end mill and do what you gotta do. I don't care what you do, just do it. All right, speeds of beast. Stainless steel, 316, 23, 25, bead rate 12.5 seems to work for me. The step over. Make sure you're in absolute. Step over, 10,000s, 10,000 zigzag that you want to use. If you do not know the depth, right, highlight, right click, see, press down here, and it automatically put the depth in there for you. Press OK. Go in the gap. You want to smooth it out, of course. Once you're done with that, good. You're done. That's it. One more time, this is your step over. If you want to change it, let's say you want to rough it. 0.025, basic time. 0.025. And raise the Z up about 6,000. And just get crazy. Run this damn thing. Then drop the C down, 6,000, run the same program, go back in there and change it to 6,000, 3,000, I don't care what you use. My normal step over is between 6 and 10. Beautiful finish. Okay, now we're going to go, apparently I lost my tool path. Where the else too, but there it is. Turn it back on. I look. Verify. Go. You gotta remember, you're cutting that big ass wall right there. You see that big ass wall you're cutting? That's why I'm not taking a hell of a lot off. You're wiping it all out at once. And it's gonna push. Then you come back in, you take that last 6,000 to 10,000 off. Oh, beautiful. No problem. And that's how you do this. Thank you for watching.